Hi guys, it's Charlie back again from Techitized, and today I'm going to be doing the best PC gaming build, in my opinion, under £1,100. So to start off, we're going to start with a motherboard, which should appear here, and it is the MSI Gaming 5 LGA 1150 socket. It has a Z97 chipset, got one slot for DDR3 RAM, and the other three are supposedly for DDR4 RAM. Has 6 USB 3 pin points. It has 6 USB 2 pin points. Has HDMI, DVI and VGA. And that motherboard costs £115 from Amazon UK. Moving on to the processor now. It's the Intel Core i5-4690K, which can be overclocked to 4 GHz or above. When it comes, it's at 3.5 GHz, 6 megabytes of cache, and obviously LGA 1150 socket. That's £175. The next piece of equipment is the liquid cooler. It's the Corsair H100i GTX Extreme liquid cooler. It's got a 240mm radiator. You can adjust the speed of the fans, and that's £90-ish. These are all average prices. I wasn't going to give you the exact price. You can get all of this stuff on Amazon UK, by the way. So the next thing is the power supply unit. It's the Corsair Builder Series 750 watt modular. It's 80 plus bronze, ATX, and $68.99. I just decided to give you a price for that. And also the next part is the Samsung 850 EVO 500GB 2.5 inch solid state drive. It's a good amount of storage, and also an SSD is great to have because you can store things like your operating system on it, so it doesn't clog up space on your hard drive. The next piece of equipment is the hard drive. It is the Western Digital 2TB hard drive, OEM green style. This hard drive is great to have because you store all your files, games and important stuff on the hard drive. So that only actually costs £60 surprisingly, which is great for a hard drive. Moving on to the MSI Nvidia GTX 960 2GB PCIe. I would recommend plugging into your monitor from here because because it's got HDMI, VGA and DVI. I think it's got DVI. I don't actually know. Maybe not. But it has HDMI, VGA and DVI, which means that you can plug into your monitor, and that will give you the graphics when you're playing games and things like that. Next thing is the DDR4 RAM. We decided to go for DDR4 as the motherboard, I said earlier, supports DDR4 and one slot of DDR3. My one piece of advice with RAM is make sure you check the types, because with all the new motherboards that are coming out, you definitely want to check the type of RAM that you have. So the 16GB of DDR4 RAM is only £75 surprisingly. That's pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the case, which is the Corsair Obsidian 450D. It's windowed, it's 80x size, and make sure you check your motherboard sizes, otherwise it'll arrive and it doesn't fit. And that's never good. Never good at all. We decided to add some extras as well. So these come in the forms of LED strips and case fans. So the first one is the LED strip. NZXT 1 meter white LEDs. It's £7 to £10, and if you look online you can find all of these LEDs by NZXT in all different ranges of colours. So moving on to the case fans, which is the last item, we have the Corsair SP120, obviously 120mm case fans. You can also change the coloured rings on them, and if you get 2 case fans, that's £46. So all these items come to a total of £1,061. I think it's a great build. Tell me what you think about that in the comments below. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!